Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're all well. We miss you lots. And the reason why I'm coming to speak to you through social media now is I know you want to do your nails. I know you want to soak them off. I know you want to take care of them. But unfortunately, we cannot do that. It's too dangerous for me. It's too dangerous for you. You cannot come and see me remove your nails or do them and then go back to your family, because we don't know who we're going to be causing a problem. So I help you, you help me, and this is how we're going to get through this. Now, your nails must have all grown out. Mine too. Look at this. Look at this. It's unbelievable. So what are we going to do? We put together a kit, 2 kits actually. One of them is with a lamp as well and some gels. And another one is just an SOS gel removal kit. Now, I'm subsidizing these kits. These kits are going to be sold directly from Emo Nails International's factory. And they will be subsidized. They will be at a very, very good price, so that you can just make use of it and take care of your nails until we can come back to work and we can do that for you. So let's start first with how are you going to start. First of all, you have the time. So that means that you have the time to file as long as you can to thin down your gel. So your nail looks like this with the gel on. Try and take it down as much as possible. If you get rid of the color, it's going to be much faster and much quicker to come off. If not, you just keep on adding a little bit of gel remover or a little bit of gel remover jelly. That helps as well, and it will come off. So let's start by, get your buffer, break the seal on top of your nail. Break the seal of that gel. Afterwards, take your nail file that's in your kit and try and get rid of most of the color as much as possible. Once you do that, then it will be much quicker to get rid of the gel that is on your nail. Those of you that have gel polish, it will come off much quicker than actual gel. Gel, it will take a bit longer. I'm going to do 2 of them. In your kit, you've also got a little one of these. Very nice, very easy to wash. Soap and water, open it up and it dries out. And it's ready to be used again. So, on the one finger, I'm going to apply the gel remover jelly. This gel remover jelly, ladies, please, it's advised to use on gel polish. If you want to do gel removal, you can do it with a jelly, but it will take a bit longer. In your kit, you will also have a packet with cotton wipes. In these cotton wipes, you're going to put gel remover. You're going to wet it. There we go. And you're going to put it on top of the nail. In your package, you also have one of these that has 50 pieces of foil. You see? They have a small piece of cotton wool on the inside stuck to them. For the thumb, you will decide. I suggest you use 2 of them. I normally put 2 of them together for the thumb. For the other fingers, no. 1 is enough. 1 is ample. So I'll take this. I will apply it on. I will close it around. Oops. Don't put too much pressure. I will close it all around, and close it off in the front. You can do this on your whole hand. Put on a glove and wait for 10 to 12 minutes and then try and remove it. In your kit, you also have a gel remover tool. This gel remover tool is very easy to take off the gel. So now, this one here, which has the gel remover jelly, it's very quick and it will peel off very, very easily. Look at that. I got rid of all the color and all the gel is just peeling off. Look at that. Look at this. You see? It just peels off. That's all it does. Remember, don't use it this way, use it this way. So you will pull it out. You will then take your nail brush, get rid of most of the particles there. Take your buff, use the rougher side first. This will take off the rest, whatever's left on your natural nail. And then take the smooth side and just go over it. Dust, cuticle remover, apply it around here, around the cuticles, all around to the front. Leave it for about a minute. And in your kit, you also have one of these. This is an orange stick that you can use. You can apply a little bit of cotton wool in the front if you want, or you can use it just like this. And what you will do is, you will push back your cuticles. Those of you that have a cuticle pusher, a metal one, it's even easier and it's even better. Push back your cuticles. Take a small piece of cotton wool. Use the cleanser and just wipe it away. Don't cut your cuticles unless it's something that's really bothering you or it's sticking up too much. Otherwise, don't cut it, because all nail technicians have a way of working. And when we cut the cuticles, we cut them in a nice round format so that they will always stay like that. And it will always have a nice shape to it. If you start cutting it on your own, you're going to cut little points into it. So it's going to be one point going this way, one point going that way, one little this, one little that. You're not going to cut them in a right form. So I would say leave your cuticles. You don't need to do them. Take then, we have a nice nail file over here. It's very thin, very nice nail file. This is a winner all the time. It's nice to have in your bag. It's nice when you go on holiday. Keep it and use it. You're going to be using it for a long time. So I'm going to file down my nail as much as I can, because I'm not interested in having long nails. I want my nails to be clean, and I want to be able to wash them and not have anything, any bacteria getting stuck there. There we go. Let me dust it. Okay. I would suggest now is you either have a little bowl with hot water and you keep on washing your hands there, or otherwise just get up, go wash your hands and come back and see if your nail needs any more filing or anything, but I don't think so. It will be ready. In your kit, you have a revitalizing cuticle oil. It's a little pen. It's got little bristles. You will twist it from the back. The oil will come out in the front as much as you need. 1 or 2 twists is enough. And you will apply it all around. And even if you go over the nail, nourish it, it's very good for it. See? Close it. Massage it in. And your nail is ready. Leave it like that. It will do it good. In your kit, you also have an Ailment hand lotion. It's a very, very nice hand lotion. It's something that you can even keep in your handbag afterwards. Right now that you're home, you can keep it anywhere in the house. Use it. It's very good. Now, see? Another thing that we have here is, which I forgot to mention, is the caps. You can also use the caps. How do we use the caps? Well, the caps you don't need to use. If you use the caps, you don't need to use the foil. All you do is take that off. Let's see how much of it will come out. Wow, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Wow, look at that. See pieces? Now you might be thinking, but is this scratching the nail? No. You've got to apply a lot of pressure in order to scratch the nail. In the event that you feel that it hasn't soaked off enough, then you take your same small piece of cotton, you will dip it again, you will put it on, and for those who do not want to use the foil, you will use your caps. And you stay like that. 5-10 minutes and it's ready. You will repeat this procedure on all your nails. Please do not soak your fingers in the acetone or in the gel remover for a long time. Because those of you that have gel and you're going to soak it in the gel remover, it's going to be too long. You cannot sit there for 10 minutes with your hands in acetone. It's not good. So, take it off. Wipe. Buff. Rough aside first. This will get rid of everything that's still left over. And it will give my nail a nice buffing. Turn it around. Go the other way. Dust. Remove all little particles. File. There we go. Remove. I would then go and wash my hands. And I will apply my oil. Twist and apply all over. Now, what is optional in the soak-off? The cuticle remover. You either use it or you don't have to. If you don't have a lot of cuticles, you don't even have to use it. Just wash your hands, file them nicely, file your nails nicely, and go ahead, put cuticle oil. Try and put cuticle oil as much as you can. It's very good for the nail. You see? It's over. Now, you can do one hand at a time. That's what I would advise. Do one hand at a time. You will finish the one hand and then do the other one. If you're right-handed, I suggest you start with your left hand because it's going to take a bit longer. So try and do the left hand first and then go back to the right hand, which is going to be quicker and easier. And another thing that you can do is you don't have to do them in the same day. It's not like you're in a rush. So you can do one now, today, and you can do one the next day. Or if you've got nothing better to do, just sit by the TV, start filing away or start drilling away, whichever option you're going to take from the kids, or whatever you have at home. Thin them down, apply the gel remover or apply the jelly, and your work is done. Keep them oiled, moisturize your hands, and I wish you the best of luck. Remember, I'm available on Messenger. Thank you for watching. Take care.